Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola Razr 60 Ultra, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you'll want to open up content that you wish to capture, and I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on my screen. Once the content that you wish to capture is visible on your screen, simply hold the power button and volume down at the same time. You'll get the sound along with this pop-up with whatever this is, edit, share, Google Lens, and the delete options, and after a moment this will disappear. Now once the screenshot disappears, you can find it by going into Photos, Collections, and Screenshots. And you can see the screenshot that I've captured is right here. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.